Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hope you all doing alright. So today guys, I am having another product with me. It's a waterpik water flosser. I bought it from Costco. This is an ADA accepted, American Dental Association accepted, so that's really good. So I need one dental flosser, water flosser, you can say. I don't know what exactly word, but I need something like this to keep the teeth clean. I bought it from Costco. It's about $50, so it's not that expensive. It looks something like this. All the description is written on this. Easy flip top, high volume, water on off handle, rotate 360, 30 fresh mint whitening tablet. It also comes with that. It comes with the jet tip, 2 jet tip, then plug seeker tip, orthopedic tip. So let's unbox this first. Very easy. I just need to remove this sticker from top. My English is really bad, so don't comment on that. It's because it's like this from long time. I'm just showing because some people might be interested in seeing the product. I think this is something user guide, how you can use it. Very simple. I just pull up like this. So guys, also comes with this user guide. I'm not going to read right now. Nothing inside. It's just like this, empty. I don't know what's this. Okay, it's like compass to keep the things inside, safe inside. Okay, let me remove the plastic cover first. So guys, I just removed the plastic cover and it looks something like this. This is the handle. You can do on off. Very long cable to move around, and once you're done, you just put it like this. There are some setting here. Speed, I think it's a speed setting, how fast you want the water comes out, and this is an on off switch. That's it. And this is a power cable attached to the, this is not a removable, I think it's attached. Branding on top. Comes with this whitening tablet that you might need to add in a water. There are some different kind of tips, as I said on the box is mentioned. Pressure setting, as you can see, 4 tip, 30 mint fresh whitening, 3-year limited warranty. If something goes wrong, they might help you to fix that. So that's all guys. I just wanted to show you guys. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.